Chinese cuisine is a rich and diverse culinary tradition with thousands of years of history. It features a balance of flavors, sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami, and varies widely across regions. Popular regional styles include Cantonese, Sichuan, Hunan, and Shandong, each offering unique tastes and techniques like stir-frying, steaming, and braising. Top 10 iconic Chinese dishes. 1. Peking duck, crispy roasted duck with pancakes and hoisin sauce. 2. Sweet and sour pork, tangy, vibrant pork stir-fry. 3. Kung Pao chicken, spicy chicken with peanuts and chilies. 4. Mapo tofu, spicy tofu with minced pork. 5. Xiao Long Bao, soup-filled steamed dumplings. 6. Chow Mein, stir-fried noodles with vegetables and meat. 7. Hot pot, DIY cooking in flavorful broth. 8. Dim sum, bite-sized steamed and fried delicacies. 9. Fried rice, quick stir-fried rice with toppings. 10. Braised pork belly, soy braised, tender pork.